Sponsor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas snacker pang ka ba kamskem, kamsted, kamklan, bat baduna bam umpnya.
Dakababu Ahmad ikap thong ban kentiu ya kayok kot haki Shnong nong kendong ka Meghalaya Aroma Mission ka bahapa pokajing kami jo ka Meghalaya Basin Development Authority harungkat kejing trilang bat ka CSR IHBT Aroma Mission Palampur Himachal Pradesh kala play ya ka field Distillation Unit jong ka Farmers Malay Somat Protection Group haka Shnong Phlangwanbroi Mausen Ram siana di blok haka Sauterik Unai Weng Arjab Sam ya kini ka field Distillation Unit la play pa ba no MLA jong ka Mausen Ram constituency uba Olan Singh Swing belalong kumukong san ringkat ka jing sakilang jong u director ka CSR IHBT Palampur u Dr. Sudesh Kumar Yadav u executive director jong ka MBDA u Sachin Shankar Gavade u block development officer ka Mausen Ram sian adi block uba AL Bare u joint director agriculture RNT uba I Saibon ka joint director jong ka horticulture ka kong Bansara Milliam Ngam ka joint managing director jong ka Meghalaya Small Farmers Agri Business Consortium ka kong Mdkhar u director jong ka MBDA uba Iban Swear bat kinong rap gibadai dekhot jong ka Farmers Malay Somat Production Group kentu bru na ka Shnong Phlangwanbroi bat na ki Shnong kiba marjan.
Because of the wild elephant went rampage in my border constituency, destroying the crops and so on. And the people were full of fear because the wild elephants, they were roaming in my border constituency. So he did a good intervention, sending his staff to look after these elephants. Though the elephants were still stationed in our constituency, in the border area, but they are not doing any damage or they are not aggressive, like you say. So it seems that we have to learn to live, and animals and man and animals how to live together, that there should be no conflict. And thank you, Sharma. I think you are the most resource person that we need. Because of you, this machine has been installed. Through your technical inputs, everything has happened today. So I wish that after some time we'll see how this distillation process is going and how we extract the oil.
This love has no ceiling, I cannot